Hey guys, today we're gonna play car crash show with my friend Ahmed, and there's my car right here. Are you ready now? Yes, I am. Okay, so we're gonna play car crash show, and he said just sit in my car, and we're and REC, go REC. Okay, look at the Bugatti. It's kind of like beautiful. Okay, I hope you and do you and edit it to YouTube. Also, yep. Okay, make sure to subscribe, like, share with the webcam, and we are here. There's no logo of Bugatti, just except for there's one. Uh, by the way, let me grab a car. Which car do I want? There's a Tesla Model X, the PD100G, but I don't really want to drive that car. The Acura NSX, but a Lamborghini Uranus, a McLaren GT. Dude, I love the McLaren 720S, and they're all totally bad. The Lamborghini, the Ford GT. What we got? The McLaren. Oh, we can drive the Pagani. Dude, we can drive the Pagani. Let's drive it. Okay. Oh, look at the Pagani. Dude, it's insane, right? So what do you think? A Pagani or a Bugatti? Which is faster? What's that? Whoa. Nice car you got there. But you can't beat my Pagani. Okay, I'll say I spent Pagani. And you know just making a video. Dude, that was loud. Did you hear that? What's happening? That was so loud, dude. Wait, I just crashed my car. Did I just crash my $2 million Pagani? In real life, that's the price. I'm not a random car. Okay, let's bully him. Where is his car? He did not respawn. There's he. Wait, let me see. PvP on, please. Okay, let's go. Okay, is that an airbag right there? No. Come on. It's fine. And like he tried to make the Adopt Me car. There's a pink car in Adopt Me. Its name is Tiffany, but it's based on a Bugatti. So he loved that car. So it's his like dream car, and that's why he's driving this one. Dude, this thing is so loud. OMG. Okay. Bruh. Super fast. Dude, you're gonna crash in the sea. That's gonna probably ruining the video. That's gonna ruin our video. Okay. I don't really know what he's doing, but I'll see. Dude, this guy is insane, just doing anything you want. Okay. I wanna really customize my lamp and my Pagani real quick. What I can get. This look nice. This is the most costly thing. But these things are like for the Lambos. What about this? No, I wanna buy the most costly thing for this car. Let's see how fast this thing goes. Is this car electric or what? Dude, it's like kind of fast, but not really that I expected. Just crashed and nothing. It's fine. Okay. And what else we got? This Lamborghini. Okay. I'm gonna change the color. I'll do that into that. And what we got? The red stripes. Secondary. Okay. And red seats. Where's the interior? Okay, now that's a normal Lamborghini. Okay. Dude, you're just driving a car. The people are gonna be bored. I want to grab a different car then if you want to get it. Okay. I'll grab the okay, I need to go fast. You're Rolls Royce. Wait, no, I need to grab it fast. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna get this Lamborghini. This Lamborghini. Drive. Okay. Wait, no, I need to change the wheels color. Dude, I'm so stupid. I need to do that so fast. Rims, dude. Yeah, these are the rims. No. 3, 2. Okay. Now we can grab it. Good. Where is he? Okay, there's a Honda Civic, but then it crashed into the wall. Pretty normal in this game. Pretty normal. Okay. I'll say in, please. Dude, look at this Supra. Is that a Supra? Nice. Cherry lot. Okay, I'll say no. Okay, this guy is destroying a Ford Focus. Okay. And my friend is destroying like a Bugatti that costed millions. Okay, here's it. I'm already here. Yeah, I see your car. Okay, we're gonna just go for a ride. Oh, this thing is so loud, and then just some scratches in the car. Crashed. I hate this Supra smashing my car. Damn Supra. Okay. These walls are literally like scratching my car. Okay, this part fell off. Okay. I'm such a bad driver. I just okay. If you wanna hear that, look at that, so loud. Okay. He said I have blue car. I don't have name on. Crashed. Okay, 2 wheels are already gone. Let's see. Can you come pick us up from from the tunnel? Okay. Wait. Not okay. The car does not works. Okay. How should I? The Ferrari. Okay. Now he said me to get a La Ferrari. We're gonna get that. Where's the La Ferrari? This is the Cybertruck. There is the La Ferrari. Okay. Easy. Okay. Okay, there's that blue car guy. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, like this car back and then this car back looks the same. Nobody hit my pink Bugatti, please. Okay. Now people are gonna like ruin it. Okay. This thing is actually fast. Is it on fire? Nope, yet. Not yet. Okay, he hit me with his car. He's just chilling in the car. Okay. He's like, can you race Embrain? Does this look like a La Ferrari anymore? It don't. The La Ferrari is the Ferrari of every Ferrari. And I can't even steer anymore because like these tires will rain. And this engine is so loud. Okay. Now there is no ice. Okay. Can you raise your Emran? Sure. Okay. And we made it to the RAV4. Okay, he said no one touched my Ferrari, but I will. Okay, I'll run it. I want to see his reaction. No reaction yet. Okay, I'll just in the chat. They don't even have a reaction. It's like, what? We are in your car. You said Nobody hit my car though. Okay. Now the Ford GT is gonna like race with me. There we go, the Bugatti. Okay, the Bugatti hit this Ford GT. Okay. Next. Blue car. Okay, did he hit me? No. No, he's gonna hit me. He's gonna. Okay. He removed his car. He's gonna hit me. Emring. Stop. Let's go. We're gonna hit him and then just go. We're gonna leave. What the hell was this? So guys, that car hit me and then like I hit him too and then he fell off there. And now I'm gonna be mean and click that button. Respawn. I'm stuck now. I am literally stuck right now. What I am supposed to do? He died. Okay. I'm scared I'm gonna die for sure. Again. Okay. Please, someone don't start it. I'm super dead. Okay. Start the thing so I can die. I'll just use mine. And when he's gonna go there, I'm gonna push him inside. No. Okay. Okay, the blue car and I'm just raining his car. Okay. We're just being green. I'm gonna leave my car. Crash the car. Just easy. I have billions of dollars to get the insurance and like I'm gonna fix my car easily. Oops. Let's go. So guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. If you like it, subscribe, share, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.